Today we're going to tour some ruins. It's like 6:45 in the morning. Zoot-a-doot-zoot-a-dora. Let's go explore some ruins.
Yay! Woo! Hooray! Alright, I want somebody to jump like that.
Oh my god.
The bus is here. We're here. They're spraying so much bug spray on me. Okay, so quick little voiceover. Eventually we do make it to the Mayan ruins of Chichen Itza, but before that we had a stop where we got to swim in like this really big natural pool in a cave, and then there was also a tequila museum and then a buffet where everyone could eat, and then we took another hour bus ride to the ruins. Just a little bit of context there to help this make sense. We have to take a shower before we get in the water. Okay. Go right into the water. Yeah. Okay. Is this how deep it is?
68 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh,
that's not horrible.
That's not horrible.
No. It's getting cold down here. Ooh, I see someone swimming. Okay. I see fish. I am not getting in there. I'll watch. And Holly and oh, my mom's already in the water right there.
I've had almond.
It's a good natural relax.
Yeah.
Drink one.
Shot, 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 everybody. It's like 12 in the morning. That's what you get when you go to Mexico. I look like a bald boy again. It's okay. I look like a little kid, so. Time to go get food. Okay, here's my lunch versus Miranda's.
It's not all of it.
Back on the bus again. These water bottles are about to freaking fall. Just wait. Ooh. Ooh. We're at Chichen Itza. Look, you can see it. We made it. We just found out that if you stand at, like, I forgot what angle it was already, but if you stand and clap at the base of this, it makes the sound of a quetzal as the echo.
Oh, but those aren't real, right? No. Is it like insurance?
The ceiling shows that all the buildings used to be colored. So like this whole temple used to be covered in color, but it's all gone now because it eroded away. But the ceiling inside of this one proves that they all used to be colored.
And you cannot use hands, you cannot use your feet. So what they use to send the ball to there? Elbows and hip. Now, do you want to hear something spooky about the ball? The ball weighs 7 to 9 pounds. You know the average weight of a human head? 7 to 9 pounds. Do you know the average weight of a newborn baby? 7 to 9 pounds. The ball represents life and death. It's made with natural rubber, vulcanized. Yes, vulcanized. Goodyear didn't discover vulcanizations. Mayan have 2,000 years doing it. So they throw the ball to the air and they begin to hit it. Yes? They pass the ball, they pass the ball, they pass the ball, they pass the ball. When the captain feels confidence enough, try to send the ball not to the hoop, that's almost impossible, but to a specific point in the wall.
Earlier in the tour, our guide explained to us that Mayan civilization had 13 kings, and when the game was played, 12 sat here, and then the head king, I guess, sat at the very end. And what was cool about this is that the way that the game arena was made it so that the one king could speak to the 13 kings without even shouting, because of how the arena is built. It like makes your voice echo off the walls somehow. I don't know, it's all very intricate and like very specifically designed.
I'm getting very far away. Do you still hear me?
Yeah.
Now, do you hear me?
Yeah. Hear you.
I'm not raising up my voice. You don't have to yell. It sounds perfect. Yes?
What?
People are just
Hear me well? Raise up your hand.
Yeah.
I don't really need to raise up my voice.
It's crazy.
Hola. 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 Hola.
We're standing where they played the game. There's the hoops. We've learned about this game so many times in school and they've always explained it wrong. They called this the Temple of 1,000 columns, right? It doesn't actually have 1,000 columns. It only has like 860. Okay, just hold. Even more pillars around the back. They just keep going. That freaking piece of sand. Fuck this piece of sand that's stuck in my lens. On this side, you can see how much of the stairs have been eroded away. We bought these things. They make jaguar sounds when you blow on them. Do you want to demonstrate? Then we had one last stop in this really cute and really small town where we ate a little bit of food and enjoyed just like the really cute and like calm vibes going on there. We had a third stop, which I didn't know about. We're gonna look for some elote, which is the corn here.
I don't see anybody with it.
We found elote.
Cheese and hot cheese.
Hell yeah! Oh my god, my hair. Got some chocolate churros. Got my favorite chips.
Do you want tequila grab a cup, you either want to just pass it back.
It's tequila time.
We're going down to the pool now. Oh my god, it's so bright. Eat pasta for lunch.
Are you listening to those now?
Uno, dos, no tres, si está todo.
I fixed my hair.
No más, shit free, had to tell a bitch, hola. They cannot get some dick from abroad. Still getting cash, so like,
This is our room over here, and then we got mom right across.
I mean, oh, I didn't know.
It finally stopped raining, so now we're just gonna go sit by the pool and chill. I'm gonna go work on editing this vlog because it's really long. Yeah, I'm just gonna edit vlog, guys. Like, don't even worry.
Bitch.
Today is our last day in Cancun. We're just gonna spend it down by the beach today and the pool. And then I know tonight we have dinner reservations, but other than that, today is going to be a very chill day with not much going on. I want to get more tan on my face because my legs are very tan. The goal today is to like get my face a little bit more tan. But it's also not very sunny out today. It's like more cloudy.
Oh wait.
It cleared up. It was like cloudy like 5 minutes ago. Iguana. Back in the room to make some avocado toast. Here is my avocado toast. It's almost vegan except the bread had milk in it, which we didn't realize, but oh well. Time to get ready for our last night out in Cancun.
Cue the getting ready montage.
They have glass water bottles because in Mexico you're not really supposed to drink the water, so a lot of people order plastic water bottles, but here they have glass ones, so they're recyclable, so that's cool. Here are our fried plantains, and the sun is setting. Now we got my veggie fajita. We are now going to go down to the beach on our last night and write our visions in the sand so that the ocean takes them away and puts them out into the universe. We did already do this on New Year's Eve, but because it's our last day, we're doing it again. This might be our last time taking the stairs.
We broke our promise of taking the stairs.
Oh, frick, I spelled that wrong.